The error code E21 on a Siemens washing machine indicates a problem with the drainage system, where the device is not draining water. This issue can be caused by a faulty drain pump, a twisted or clogged drain hose, or a blocked filter. To resolve the issue, start by checking the filter. Turn off the device and inspect it to ensure no debris or dirt is causing a blockage. Clean the filter using a soft brush and water. Then insert it back into the machine and check if the error code disappears. Next, inspect the drainage hose for any twists or pinches that may be causing a blockage, and clean the inside of the hose if necessary. Additionally, check the drain pump for any visible damage or obstructions. Clean out any debris found, and replace the pump if damaged. After taking these steps, restart the machine to check if the error code has cleared. By following these solutions, the issue with the drainage system should be resolved, and the error code E21 should disappear.